Supercharge your sales game with the Odoo CRM Community mobile app, your ultimate tool for success, right at your fingertips. Revolutionize how you manage your CRM with seamless mobility and unmatched efficiency. Your sales pipeline just got a major upgrade, smarter, faster, and always ready to roll. With powerful features built for mobile selling, you can easily track and manage opportunities across easy-to-use pipeline views, access your full customer details with a sleek, searchable interface, create and confirm quotations with just a few taps. But that's not all. Stay connected and in control with engage customers instantly with seamless, real-time chats. Qualify and convert leads on the go. Check out and customize profiles with ease. Switch between user accounts and databases effortlessly, a feature you won't find in most mobile CRMs. Whether you're closing deals on the road, managing leads from a coffee shop, or tracking performance remotely, the Odoo CRM Community mobile app is built to power your sales. Relentless sales, anytime, anywhere. Download the Odoo CRM Community mobile app today and start selling smarter.